In this section, we're going to practice an example of dividing by a monomial. I know that I wrote polynomial, that's a general term, but in this particular example, we have a monomial because there's no plus or minus in the denominator. In class, I suggested that you split these into separate problems. So I would keep that sign, and divide each one of these by that denominator. You'll notice in the early problems that we did on worksheets or homework, all these divided evenly. And that's usually because the denominator ends up being a greatest common factor, or at least a common factor. So we can reduce these. 15 goes into 45. 3 times, that would be top heavy. The a's cancel, and if there's an invisible 1 here, this is really top heavy by 3. So 3b to the third. 15 goes into 64 times. 1a top heavy and 1b top heavy. So notice there's nothing left in the denominator is 1. Here it looks like everything cancels out. It's a fancy form of the number 1. And so we have to make sure that we put a 1 there, because if not, you're claiming that that's 0. And anything divided by itself is definitely a 1. This would be our final answer. It's a trinomial because the numerator started with 3 parts. Good luck on this section.